PowerBear 4K HDMI cable 10 feet, high-speed HDMI cables, braided nylon gold connectors, 4K at 60 Hz, Ultra HD, 2K, 1080p, ARC-CL3 rated, for laptop, monitor, PS5, PS4, Xbox One, Fire TV, more. Nylon tangle-free design. Features a reinforced nylon braided jacket. This guitar cable can bear 15,000 plus bending tests, which means 40% more durable than a common PVC jacket. The tangle-free design brings excellent flexibility and no need of adjusting the cord constantly. Low noise, high fidelity. NUOSIYA guitar cord with 22 AWG oxygen-free copper center conductors provides enhanced signal transfer. The PVC insulation material and the high-density stranded copper double shield provide noise rejection for quiet operation. Easy to disassemble. NUOSIYA guitar cable is designed to coil neatly, preventing twists and tangles, making incidental repairs quick and easy. Very nice, flexible cable. Wide compatible. Suitable for mixer, power amplifier, microphone, effector, decoder, equalizer, electronic organ, electric guitar, electric bass and other electronic equipments. Widely used in the installation of smart home, karaoke speaker, professional stage audio, etc. High performance, lifetime warranty. NUOSIYA all product has lifetime premium service. Please feel free to contact us if you have any problem with our product. NUOSIYA is a professional manufacturer of audio instrument cables, provide professional cables of guitar. "24K gold-plated connectors." 24K gold-plated connectors offer exceptional sound and acoustic fidelity. Premium materials. 22 AWG oxygen-free copper lines combined with a double shielding allow for maximum audio quality, reduce distortion and signal loss, minimizes return loss, so music, dialogue, and sound effects are always clear, dramatic, detailed and excellent signal quality. Durable and flexible. Soft TPE outer coating gives the cord a flexible performance and a resistance to pressure. Freely use the AUX cord without any worry of damaging it due to bending, with a 15,000 plus bend lifespan.